Two powerhouse hosting platforms, Cloudways and WP Engine, face off. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Cloudways, flexible managed cloud hosting built for scalability. And on the right, WP Engine, premium managed WordPress hosting designed for speed and support. Let's skip the industry jargon and get to the real differences that matter. Each category gets scored so you'll see exactly who comes out ahead by the end. The result in 2025 might surprise you. So here's the game plan. We're going to break things down across a bunch of key categories: price and value, performance and uptime, features and flexibility, security, developer tools, global coverage, and support and ease of use. Basically all the stuff that actually matters when you're picking a host. Ready? Let's roll. First up, let's talk money, price, and value. So Cloudways, honestly, they make things pretty easy on your wallet. We're talking entry-level around $11 a month and a super chill pay-as-you-go vibe. Plus, you get to pick your cloud provider and get this: unlimited websites per plan. Okay, you don't get email for free or a free domain, but who really uses host email anyway? Now, WP Engine, on the other hand, they're sitting at about $25 a month, but that's just for one site. Does come with premium features baked in and a 60-day money-back thing, so that's neat. But yeah, more expensive if you want to run multiple sites. For value, gotta give this round to Cloudways. Moving on to performance and uptime, the big stuff everyone sweats. So Cloudways is sporting a 99.99% uptime SLA, and they've thrown in Varnish, Redis, Memcached, and their own CDN. Plus, you get to slap your site on global data centers for low latency, which is awesome. WP Engine, they're all about WordPress speed with their own Evercache tech and bundled Cloudflare CDN. Independent tests say they're consistently fast, but the uptime SLA is just a hair lower at 99.95%. Both are seriously solid here, so honestly, it's a tie. Let's talk features and flexibility now. Cloudways, super flexible. You can host like any PHP app, not just WordPress. One-click installs, easy resource scaling, unlimited sites, and wild bandwidth even on their entry plans. Downside, I guess, is no free AI website builder, which maybe not a deal breaker. WP Engine, on the flip side, throws in premium StudioPress themes and automates stuff like migrations and updates. But it's just for WordPress, and the ecosystem is pretty locked down if you ever want to run something else. Flexibility-wise, Cloudways definitely takes it. Did you know WP Engine throws in 30+ premium StudioPress WordPress themes with every account? Not bad if you dig free themes, right? Security, alright, both of these get serious. Cloudways brings a web application firewall, optional malware protection, dedicated firewalls, IP whitelisting, two-factor authentication, and lets you control backup frequency. Pretty robust. WP Engine is equally pumped: built-in firewall, DDoS protection, always-on monitoring, free SSL, daily backups. Honestly, both rocket security. Can't really knock either, so yeah, it's a tie. Now for developer tools, if you're the type that likes tinkering, Cloudways lets you do the full server thing: restart, scale, SSH, SFTP, all the nerdy controls. Supports a mix of tech like PHP, MySQL, MariaDB, NGINX, plus staging environments. WP Engine, they're slick with dev, staging, and production environments for every site, automated transfer if you're an agency, and built-in Git integration. Both make developers happy, so we're calling it a draw. Alright, let's jet around the globe. Global coverage. Cloudways, you basically get a laundry list of data centers to choose from, piggybacking off big cloud providers like AWS, GCP, DigitalOcean. That's fantastic if you want true worldwide reach. WP Engine does have multiple data centers, but not nearly as many picks, and you're kinda locked into their options. For global flexibility, Cloudways wins, no contest. Last but not least, let's talk support and ease of use. Cloudways, they've got 24/7 live chat and a pretty straightforward console, and here's something to keep in mind: it's a little more hands-on, so you kinda need to know what's up with hosting. WP Engine, honestly, they're legends at WordPress support: chat, phone, super fast, super knowledgeable, and all included. Though a bit narrow in focus, just WordPress. Still, if you want true white-glove hosting, WP Engine edges it out. Alright, here's a quick snapshot of how these two stack up across every category. Honestly, it's closer than you might think, but a few areas tip the scales. So where do we land? If you're hunting for flexibility, scalability, and insane value, especially if you want to run a bunch of sites or dabble beyond WordPress, Cloudways is probably your best bet. But if you're all about managed WordPress, agency work, or you seriously need rockstar-level support and those free themes, WP Engine is still a top pick. But today, the nod goes to Cloudways for overall versatility. Found this comparison helpful? Want more web hosting deep dives? Hit that subscribe and stick around, there's a lot more where this came from.